And we've been having some issues with the starter solenoid, which is located underneath here. So I just got a new one from Amazon. So we are going to swap out the old one and put the new one in. And the old one is located on this model lawn tractor. The old one is located right there. So we're going to take that off and swap it out and see if we can get it started. So this is actually mounted onto the back of the mower like this, underneath this frame here. So the way I've been starting it in the meantime is actually getting this metal wrench here and actually bypass this solenoid. But basically, if this is not working, the way to start it is actually you can touch one end like that, and then you touch the other, and that will bypass it. This is pretty much a switch. So you just go like that and it starts up. So anyway, if you are in a bind and you don't have a replacement at the moment, go ahead and you can do that. I would wear gloves and get some kind of screwdriver or metal tool, and then again you just connect it from here to there, and it should start up that way unless there's another issue. All right, so we're going to get this one out. Okay, before you take anything apart, it's always good to take a picture. Alright, so I disconnected that there. That's to the negative and to the ground wire. So these small bungee cords always come in handy, so I have that there. Alright, so here's the one bolt that goes in there that I'm going to loosen up. Alright.